What's up, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to install an Xray Texture Pack for Minecraft 1.19. This is an incredibly popular topic, so I'm covering it here. No, most server anti-cheats won't pick this up. Usually they'll only see things are weird when you're mining in straight directions directly to ore. As long as you can avoid that, you can avoid detection on most major servers. This is a Minecraft Resource Pack or Texture Pack, therefore it's not a mod and should leave Minecraft looking pretty much normal. You can toggle this on and off whenever you like during gameplay as well. In the description down below, you'll find a link to curseforge.com. This will take you directly to the Xray Ultimate Resource Pack, of which there are thousands of Xray texture packs. This one's designed for 1.18.2, but we can click Browse at the very top, head into Minecraft, then at the very top here we'll be looking for Resource Packs, and we can simply search for Xray. On top of this, you may want to add Xray 1.19. When you've done this, you should see more relevant Xray resource packs, though this one is probably going to work just fine. This also works fine for a ton of mods too. All you're going to want to do is click the download button in the top right hand side and wait around 5 seconds for your download to start. The installation process is the same for all Minecraft resource packs, and it's incredibly simple. You'll download a zip file. If you open it up and see pack.png as well as other things like this, then we don't need to extract this anywhere. All we need to do is move the zip. It's important to open it first, however, to make sure that everything is set up properly, and it's not a zip with a folder inside of it that we need to move instead. To install this, hold Start and press R at the same time to bring up the Run dialog. Inside of here, we'll be typing %appdata%\.minecraft as such, and we'll be clicking OK. Then inside of this folder here, we'll simply scroll down and look for the Resource Packs folder. If you don't have this, simply create one. Resource Packs, one word. Open it up, and inside of here, we'll be dragging and dropping the Resource Pack zip that we just downloaded. Once it's inside of this folder, we can remove previous versions if there are any, and we'll be opening up our Minecraft launcher if you're not already in Minecraft 1.19. This works with modded and normal versions of Minecraft, so there's no need to worry about that. If you're using a custom mod pack, however, Minecraft may be installed in a different location, and you need to place the resource pack elsewhere. For me, I'll be firing up the vanilla Minecraft 1.19 release, so I'll click play here. There we go. Now that we're in Minecraft, we can join a single player or multiplayer world, open it up, or connect to one. And once we're in game, simply hit escape, then head into options, followed by resource packs, and inside of here, we should see the Minecraft Xray Resource Pack. It does say incompatible, at least for now, until the resource pack has been raised to 1.19. In the meanwhile, simply push it to the right by clicking the arrow, and when it's on the right-hand side, selected, it should be activated. We can click to deactivate it and push it back to the left-hand side. I'll click done, and now after a quick reload of Minecraft, you'll see that we can see straight through the ground, and our Xray texture pack is working as we'd hope. There we go. There's some coal underneath me, as well as other resources down there. Other than that, there's not really much else we need to focus on, other than keeping ourselves from looking too suspicious while we're playing the game. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.